is just a number.
Welcome back to our channel. Age is just a number. In today's video, we will talk about agentic AI.
Agentic AI is an AI assistant agent that can perform tasks and goals with minimal human supervision. In this video, we will tell you about agentic AI in detail. So stay with us.
So, near future, if you're in any field, if you're a doctor, if you're an engineer, if you're in HR, in sales, in IT, and if you don't know agentic AI, you will be replaced. Your jobs are in risk. So let's suppose there is a company which has 10 employees, and one of them knows agentic AI. Soon, the company will fire 9 employees, and the one employee that knows genetic AI will write 10 agents, and that will work like employees, then 9 employees, but better. And if you're a business owner, and if you don't update your employees with agentic AI, it will affect your business. So before we dive deep in agentic AI, let me tell you the LLM flow. LLM has a simple flow. There's an user, the user questions, then LLM. The question is called a prompt, and the LLM will answer to the user. So there are many LLMs, but the most popular ones are ChatGPT, DeepSeek, Llama, and Anthropic.
So what is RAG chatbot? RAG chatbots are LLMs that are trained on a specific dataset for specific answers. So for example, if we ask an LLM what is the fastest car, it will show all of the cars in the whole world. But if we give it a dataset, it will only show the specific company dataset we gave it. So what is agentic AI? In agentic AI, there is an agent, and an agent can perform some task, and by the environment it can observe. An agent has its own memory. We give it can use tools, and it has some goals. In agentic AI, we can accomplish a specific goal that we set it to do. This is how we create an agent in Crew AI. In Crew AI, which is a framework in Python, and I will show you later. An agent has an user-defined name. We can set the name to whatever we want. And an agent has a role, a goal, a backstory. It uses LLM, and it can use tools. As you can see in this code, we are creating an research agent, and the research agent is set to the constructor agent. And the role we have given the agent is research analyst. And the goal is find and summarize information about specific topics. And the goal we have given the agent is find and summarize information about specific topics. And the backstory of the agent is you are an experienced researcher with attention to detail. And the tool is Serpent developer tool. We use Serpent developer tool to use the Google search, and the verbose to enable logging and debugging. So these are the most popular agentic AI frameworks. They are codeless and with code frameworks. In codeless, we have Opal, Na10, Make, and Zapper. And Opal is the new agentic AI model by Google. And in the with code, there is Agno AI, LangGraph, Autogen, and Creo AI. And if you want to use OpenAI agents and OpenAI model only, there is OpenAI Agent SDK. And to use Google Gemini and Google models, we use Google ADK. In Agentic AI, there are multiple agents. Suppose Agent 1 will do a task, Agent 2 will do a task, and then Agent 3 will do its own task. In Agentic AI, the three agents can communicate and share data with each other.
For example, a company posted a job to hire a person. So 100 people applied for the job. So the company got the 100 CVs, and some employees of the company will match the job description and the CVs. And let's suppose they shortlisted 10 people, and some employees will update a database that these 10 people were shortlisted from the 100 CVs. And then some employees will call them manually and email them and schedule their meetings. So if in the company a person knows agentic AI, they can write three agents. The first agent will do the same work, download the CVs, 100 CVs, and shortlist 10 people. by matching the job requirements and the CVs, and then the second agent will update the database that these 10 people were shortlisted from the 100 CVs, and the third agent, a voice agent, will call them and schedule their meetings. So the previous process with not AI but real person, it took like 2 to 3 weeks. But the AI, the agentic AI process took 10 to 15 minutes, and a company wants more um, cost effective way. So this, the AI one, is more cost effective for the company. So as we shown you the codeless and with code frameworks, agentic AI frameworks, now let's deep dive in the with code at Crew AI framework.
So now this is the Crew AI website, and as you can see, these companies are using Crew AI right now. So now let me show you the documentation of Crew AI. So now as you can see, we are in the Crew AI documentation. So now let me go to the agents page and show you how to create an agent in Crew AI. So now if you scroll down, there you go. This is how we create an agent in Crew AI, like I have shown you before. Now this is how we create in Crew AI. Now, as you can see, we are creating an agent called dev agent assigned to the constructor agent, and it has the role of senior Python developer. Goal is write and debug Python code. And the backstory of this agent is expert Python developer with 18 years of experience, and allow code execution to make sure that the code execution is working, and make sure it uses the code as execution and it can execute codes, and execution mode is safe, and the max execution time is 300, and the max retry limit is 3. So now I will show you how you give a task to the agent we have created. Let's go into task page. We scroll down. As you can see, this is how we give a task to the agent we made. So this is the such task description. Conduct a through research about topic. Make sure you find any interesting and relevant information given the current year is 2025, and the expected output are list with 10 bullet points of the most relevant information about topic, and the agent is researcher. And then we have reporting task. In the description of reporting task is review the content you got and expand each topic into a full section for a report. Make sure the report is detailed and contains any and all relevant information, and the expected output is a fully fledged reports with the main topics, each with a full section of information, formatted as markdown without these. And then the agent is reporting analyst, the markdown is true, and the output file is report.md. So now let me show you how we execute the crew in Crew AI. We have created a variable and assigned it to the constructor crew, and we have given the agents for this example it's research agent. We have given it the task and verbose for logging and debugging. So now let me show you the real working example of the QA code we have written by ourselves. So now let me show you how we create an agent. As you can see, we have created a function create agent, and these are the agents. The first agent is CV parser, and we have assigned it to the agent, the constructor, and the role is CV parser. The goal of this agent is extract candidate information from CVs, including name, skills, experience, and education. And the backstory of the agent is expert CV parser with years of experience in human resources and recruitment. And then verbose for debugging, and allowed delegation is false, and LLM and self-built LLM to use the OpenAI model. Then we have candidate matcher, the same agent. Now this has the role of candidate matcher, and the goal is match candidates to job requirements and provide short listing recommendations. And the backstory is senior hiring manager with extensive experience in technical recruitment and candidate evaluation, and verbose for debugging, and allow delegation false, and LLM to use the OpenAI model. And now this is how we create. I've showed you how to create a task. So this is the task we're giving to the agents. Now, as you can see, this is the task, and the agent is CV parser. Expected output is JSON object with candidate information, and then create and crew the variable, and then set it to the constructor crew, and the agents are to CV parser, and the tasks is task, and the process is process.sequential, and then verbose is false for debugging. We are not using debugging, and the result is equal to crew.kickoff to start the crew AI code. So now as you can see, this is a function called analyze, and let me tell you that this is a Flask endpoint. And now this function gets form data, that is job title and job description. After this, the agent starts doing the work we have assigned it to do. So now let me show you and run the code that we have made. So now let's show you a real working example of the agent, the CV parser. So now as you can see, we have given it some job title, and the job title is senior Python developer, and the job description is given a job description about a senior Python developer. So now let's upload some CVs to shortlist and find the candidates. Let's choose open and then analyze CVs. Now if we go to the console, as you can see, it has started this now the agent called CV parser is analyzing the following CV content. As you can see, it has started to analyze the CV, and now as you can see, the agent has started and it is analyzing. And as you can see, now it is analyzed.
So thank you for watching this video. So like, subscribe and share. So in the upcoming video, we will continue this example and create a voice agent that will call the candidates and schedule a meeting. So meet you next video. Till then, bye.